Primestay, it's a group of companies that includes Primestay, Prime Cleaning, Prime Interiors. It's a one-stop solution for anybody who is looking to buy a property, even because we are part of Provident Real Estate, a prominent name in the Dubai real estate market. And our CEO and co-founder Anthony AJ, he's actually a well-known person here in the real estate sector. He's uh, let's say a famous person here in social media. He has his own social media channel, and AJ, he has written two bestseller books. One is Take Charge, another one Take Action. Both are bestsellers in Amazon. And the company as Primestay was established in 2018, and we have over 900 plus properties in our portfolio, and we manage both short and long stay properties. When I joined Primestay, the price was synced, or the pricing was done very much manually through Excel sheets. So the entire process was very manual. So the listing team and myself, we had to sit down and then do the research, check the market, how it's priced, and then adjust our prices manually. So it was a total manual process, which was very much time consuming. So that's when we thought about getting PriceLabs, and then we got in touch. Adil was connected. Then he gave us a 1 month free trial. When it's a manual process, you will have to go to individual listings. Let's say on Airbnb, to do the price comparison, even you will have to browse individual properties just to see where our listing is positioned. But then having a tool like PriceLab, it's much more easier. The neighborhood data itself that gives us an idea how others have priced their properties. We don't have to go and search on individual platforms. Rather, we just go into PriceLabs, do the neighborhood search, and then very much easy, simple process, less time consuming. Other than pricing, we could also use this for setting minimum stay restrictions. Even that was actually a manual task. We have to always set up the minimum stay requirements during, let's say, whenever there is an event. We don't want to take the usual 2 or 3 night stay. Maybe if you feel like, okay, we need to have an extended minimum stay requirement. Such tasks are now very much easily managed through PriceLabs, not just the pricing, but the minimum stay requirements as well. It's all synced through PriceLabs right now. We took the trial, but for the first 2 weeks, we didn't bother to ask any help from PriceLabs. So it was just trial and error. We subscribed, but to be honest, we didn't utilize it very much. It's at that point we thought, okay, let's get in touch with somebody at PriceLabs. Maybe we are doing it wrong, and that's when Adul got connected. Then he came online. We had a one-on-one session, and he said, okay, do this, try this. He gave a lot of tips and tricks, and then the following next 2 weeks, yeah, we've been able to properly utilize the platform, and we really did see a difference. I feel like the platform is very user friendly. The user interface is quite simple, easy to understand, and at times, if I feel like, okay, I need to know what this module is about, it's easy to get the information through the help button, which is readily available within the software itself. So very much easy to use platform. Having a tool managing the pricing based on the occupancy, that itself is a reliever, because if it's a manual task, then we'll have to do these price revisions manually each single day. But wherein a tool like PriceLab, it's like an AI tool just running in the background. It just tracks the occupancy of the unit and just adjusts the price accordingly. So it's one less headache. So it gives us hints whenever there is a pickup, so we could adjust the prices. It can be a price increase, or if you feel like, okay, the demand is low, the tool is really helping us set the prices accordingly. The real change was on the first month that we took PriceLabs, which was in February. If you look at the figures, I think we had at least 15 to 20% more revenue generated in comparison to the previous year, the same period. Before we took PriceLabs, everything was done manually. It was a static rate. So, and also the price revisions or updates were not done on a daily basis. It's mostly on a weekly basis. But ever since PriceLab came in, depending on the number of bookings received that day, the price revisions happened after midnight. So we really was able to utilize the pricing. To not lose out on opportunities, because when you're doing the price updations manually, you will always be a bit skeptical about increasing the price, especially when it's a season. Might be very skeptical to increase the price, fearing that you might lose an opportunity to get a booking. But by having a tool like PriceLabs, it gives accurate information. It gives updated information about what's the current market situations are like, how your competitors have priced their property. So it gives you a bit more of confidence, when you set the prices. So definitely it helps you get a better return of investment.